Okay, good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the week 3 of Science 9 Term 1, Law of Interaction for day 1, Daily Life Action-Reaction Forces. Objectives: identify action-reaction force pairs in real-life situations. Demonstrate curiosity in observing force interactions and explain why action and reaction forces do not cancel each other. For motivational activity, okay, the law is stating equal and opposite reaction force. Okay, that is law of interaction. Scientist who formulated the law of motion, Isaac Newton. Force that pushes back when action force is applied. Okay, the reaction force. Force applied by one object on another. Okay, action force. Okay, direction of reaction force relative to action force, opposite direction. Device used to measure force in the experiment. Okay, that is spring balance. Movement produced by interaction between foot and ground. Okay, walking. Two forces that occur together in interaction. Okay, the action-reaction pair. Type of force interaction used in rocket propulsion. Okay, the reaction force. Number of objects involved in action-reaction pair. Okay, there are two objects. Okay, scenario, the moving chair. Pares may gulong yung sasakyan para mas makita natin yung observation talaga. Two students sat on movable chairs facing each other. One student gently pushed the other. Surprisingly, both chairs move backward. Okay, questions. Why did both students move backward? Okay, the answer, because of action-reaction force pairs. That for every action, there is a corresponding reaction force. Are the forces equal in magnitude? Okay, same po yun. Equal. Pag sinabi pong magnitude, yung amount of force. Okay, yes, forces are equal. Why did the motion occur in opposite directions? Forces act in opposite direction. Okay, the Newton's third law of motion. The Newton's third law of motion states that for every action force, there is an equal and opposite reaction force. Pag sinabing equal po dyan, tumutukoy dyan na equal is the magnitude. Pag sinabing opposite, opposite in direction. Okay, this means whenever one object pushes or pulls another object, the second object pushes or pulls back with the same strength but in the opposite direction. Two forces are always involved. These forces are called the action and reaction force. Pag sinabing action force, ito yung force na inexert mo by the first object. Yung reaction naman, ito yung naging reaction dun sa action force. The force exerted back by the second object. Halimbawa nga dyan, tinulak mo yung wall, tutulak ka rin ng wall pabalik. Pag nilakasan mo yung tulak mo, mas malakas yung bounce back mo dun sa wall. Okay, important ideas. The forces are equal in strength or yung magnitude ng tinutukoy po dyan. They act in opposite direction. No? Laging opposite, exactly opposite in direction. They occur at the same time. They act on different objects. Ito po yung mga dapat tandaan natin na they act on different objects. Okay, the law of interaction. The law of interaction states that whenever one object applies a force on another object, the second object simultaneously applies an equal force in the opposite direction. Magkasabay po yung kaya simultaneously. Okay, important characteristics. Forces occur simultaneously. Action and reaction forces happen at the same time. Sabay na sabay po yun. Equal magnitude but opposite direction. The strength of forces is the same. Direction is opposite. Forces act on different objects. Action and reaction forces do not cancel because they are applied to different bodies. Pero kung the same bodies ang nangyari yun, maka-cancelled out kasi nga ay same strength but opposite direction. Pero it apply in a different to a different bodies. Motion is possible because of interaction forces. Examples include, ayan, walking. So, tinulak mo yung ground ng paa mo, itutulak din ng ground pabalik yung paa mo. Ayan, swimming. Rocket propulsion. Pushing or pulling objects. Students often think forces cancel because they are equal and the opposite. Yan. Kala nakakancel kasi nga equal in magnitude and opposite in direction. But cancellation happens only when forces act on the same object. Because action and reaction forces happens on different objects. Number 1, who formulated the laws of motion? Okay, the answer is Isaac Newton. What happens when one object applies force to another? Equal and opposite force is produced. Action and reaction forces occur. Ano kaya? Okay, simultaneously. Why do action and reaction forces not cancel? Okay, sabi kanina, it happens on the different objects. So, letter A. When you push the wall, what is the reaction? Okay, the wall pushes you. Pushes your hand back. Pansinin niyo, pag mahina lang tulak mo sa wall, hina lang yung pabalik mo. Pero pag sobrang nilakasan mo, sobrang lakas din ng balik mo. Lalo na kung may naka-skate, naka-skateboard, yung sapatos mo may gulong. Kitang-kita mo yung difference. Walking is possible because of interaction between, okay, foot and ground. Forces in interaction pairs are, yun, equal and opposite. Equal in magnitude, opposite in direction. Interaction forces acts on different objects, same object, only moving objects, only heavy object. Okay, different objects. Which is an example of interaction force? Sitting on a chair, watching TV, reading book, listening to music. Okay, sitting on a chair. Rocket propulsion works because of interaction forces.